Today's video, going to be replacing the thermostat on the Silverado. I just did the radiator on this truck and everything was working fine, but then a couple days later, the thermostat would get stuck open and it would just never reach operating temp. 8mm clamp for the intake. Press in, pull it off. On the passenger side, under the lower radiator hose, there's this petcock on this nipple. In this little hole is where the nipple comes out. I installed this hose right here to guide the coolant to come out. And right there's the petcock. So we're going to go ahead and drain the coolant. Once you unscrew the petcock, you can go ahead and drain it into a pan. Three 10mm. Got our new thermostat with the new gasket. Go ahead and install it. .89 inch-pounds for the mount bolts. Driving around, you can see it's just under 210. You can see I'm getting heat, so the heater core is bled. And that's how you replace a thermostat on these Silverados. Hope this video helps you. Have a good one.